Welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, your go-to channel for practical and simple solutions for your tech needs. Today, we'll learn how to put your WordPress website into maintenance mode using an easy-to-use plugin called CMP, Coming Soon and Maintenance Plugin by Niteo Themes. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly understand why maintenance mode is essential. Whether you're updating your website design, adding new features, or fixing bugs, maintenance mode ensures your visitors know that you're improving things and helps you avoid any messy first impressions. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type CMP, Coming Soon and Maintenance Plugin. Click Install Now, and then Activate. It's as simple as that. Once activated, go to the CMP settings under Appearance on your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can customize everything, from choosing a design theme to setting up a countdown timer. CMP comes with plenty of templates and design options, making it perfect for any style. To enable maintenance mode, head to the General Settings tab. Toggle the Status option to Active. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom. Now, when visitors land on your website, they'll see your custom maintenance page instead of your site in progress. Want to make your maintenance page more powerful? CMP lets you add your own logo, social media links, and even track visitor stats. You can also whitelist IP addresses to allow specific users or developers to bypass the maintenance mode and access the website. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your website in maintenance mode using the CMP plugin. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Evergreen Tech Tips for more practical solutions. See you in the next video.